Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back to VP Reacts and I'm Vicky.
Peter here.
Welcome to another episode of our reaction video. And today we are back with a song from the Reddings.
Yeah.
And the song is Remote Control 1980.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we are told that the Reddings, I think they were, cousins of Otis Redding.
Okay.
Yeah, I think the cousins formed like a group. They were having a group called the Reddings.
Oh, from Otis, huh?
Yeah, the cousins to Otis Redding.
Oh, wow, what a good one. We can't.
Yeah, so the song is Remote Control. So, as usual, come along with us to the end.
And can you subscribe? But you're an Otis Reading fan, you're the Readings fan, subscribe here. If you're a subscription fan or we're just our returning viewer and you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. And if you like to support us by asking for a request, you can do so via Buy Me Coffee link or just even support us by buying us a cup of coffee as the link suggests. All information of the including the link are on the description of the song or even our channel description. Otherwise, guys, let's jump into Remote Control.
I think the singing style is just almost the same with that of Otis Redding.
Exactly.
Yeah, that the funky style,
Yeah.
dun, 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 and the vocal. So I'm not sure if Otis is included in this particular group.
Guys, share with us.
Yeah.
That's different.
Peace, it's about as plain as day. Young, old, they all agree. Radio's here to stay. Yeah. Here comes the music. Push button to your soul. How do you use it? Turn your radio. Remote control.
Are
And
we
then
ready?
radio, a remote
Control.
control.
Oh wow. I love that funky style of it.
Exactly.
The beats. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, oh. Dun, dun,
And
dun, dun,
I
dun,
hope this
dun, dun, dun.
remote control has another version, maybe, guys. Huh? If you have it, please share with us on the comment section, because I like to see if their style even on stage. You see, I like that funky.
Oh, by the way, even we love to see the Reddings
Yeah,
maybe live
exactly. Live
or
or
maybe the
to see their
official video, at least to
yeah
see
them. Huh?
them. By the way, before we continue, please share like more details about them, because I
Yeah.
saw just at the comments like maybe they were the cousins of the Otis Redding. So I'm not sure if Otis is among them or how
Really.
many are there. So please share more details
Because they
about them.
look like a real vibe. Huh?
Yeah, they are real vibe, and then they have this they almost the same style of Otis Redding.
Yeah.
In their song was kind of similar. So, uh,
What a good one. And I think generally it was really that joyous, or that fun that comes with the music of their music. And
the
wherever,
radio.
even if you on the radio, you're listening just the music on the radio,
Yeah.
it comes into you, and you start
And it
vibing with it,
controls you.
exactly
Yeah,
like a
it
remote
controls.
control.
Yeah, it's like a remote control. So it comes
Yeah.
deeper, like for example, the funky music right here.
Yeah.
So it comes inside you and controls you.
Like a remote
Control.
control.
By the way, I think that's a correct message they were passing right here, because
Yeah.
even this song, it was like a control to us. It
Mm.
was like it
As
comes.
the more it's
It gets
playing, the more
yeah,
you
you get
get
to
into
enjoy the
it.
vibe, you enjoy
Mm.
and sing along, so it's like a remote control,
Control.
it takes over you. Oh wow.
So guys, share your thoughts, and don't forget to give us another version or another good one from the Reddits, because we want to know more
Yeah,
about them. And please
exactly.
share with us at the
The
buy
comment
me,
section.
yeah, at the buy
No,
me coffee link.
yeah, sorry. At the by miss, I was to say share your thoughts on the comment section. Then another suggestion on our
Yeah, buy
buy
me
me
coffee.
coffee.
If you have even a
Yeah,
specific link of the video like you like, or you see it will be worth it for us, huh?
yeah, exactly.
Share with
Introduce
us.
us to it.
Exactly. Thank you for much for this one. What a good one. It's a remote control, and for sure it was really controlling us.
Yeah, of course we enjoyed it. So until next time, we hope to see you right here, right at the same time.
Subscribe and stay tuned.
Bye bye.